issued a tornado warning for South Central Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, Southern Prairie County in central Arkansas, Northern Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 5 miles east of Parker's Corner, or 10 miles south of Hazen. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Hazen, Devall's Bluff, Clarendon, Brinkley, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Pepper's Landing, Hallsville, Dobbs Landing, Biscoe, Allendale, Alfrey, Zink, Colville, Slovak, Monroe, Keevil, Fargo, Fairmount. This storm has a history of producing a tornado north of Roanoke. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 193 and 218.